In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the MMULT function here in Google Sheets. So in this video, we're going to learn how to multiply two matrices together with the use of the matrix multiplication function or the MMULT function. In my example dataset right here, I have some branches from different states right here with the name of the products over here and the quantity sold for each product. On the right side, we have the price for each product and the shipping cost for those as well. And what I want to do on this table right here is to get the total of all the sales for each state. Meaning I'll have to multiply this product right here with its price, then add it to the product of this one and its price as well, and so on. I'll continuously do that, and as you'll imagine, that will be a tedious and very long process. But with this function, we'll get the total of all the products with its price for each state right here. Let's go ahead and do that. We're going to start with the equal sign. Type in MMULT. Then you have your syntax or your formula, which is matrix 1, comma, matrix 2. Now, if you want to learn more about this formula or this function, all you have to do is to press F1 on your keyboard or click on this arrow down right here to expand the details about this function. Now, let's go ahead and select matrix 1, which is right here. So it's important to remember that the number of columns that you're going to be selecting for matrix 1 should be equal to the number of rows that you're going to be selecting for your matrix 2. Because again, what's happening is that you're multiplying this one with this one, so it will be matching matrix 1 to matrix 2 to get the correct answer. So that's for matrix 1, comma, and for matrix 2, we are going to select this one right here, which is the price. Again, that's what's happening here. Matrix 1 is multiplying matrix 2 and then summing all of it to get the answer right here. So if we press enter, there it is. We have the sum of all the products sold for the state of California. Now we can just drag down the formula, accept our autofill right here, and there you have it. We can also do that another way. So we're going to start with our equal sign again. Type in MMULT. This time for our matrix 1. To populate the entire table that we have right here, what we can do is to just select this range right here as our matrix 1, comma, then select price again, right there. If you press enter, there you have it. It has populated our entire table without us dragging the formula from the top to the bottom. Now for our second table right here, what if we want to get the product of our shipping cost together with our price? We can do that with the MMULT function as well. So that's equal sign, type in MMULT or select it right here. Again, matrix 1 would be the entire range right here, comma, and for our matrix 2, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to be selecting these two columns right here. If we press enter, it will populate both columns according to the prices and the shipping costs. So again, it did the same thing. It has multiplied this to this one to get the total of that one. And the same thing with our shipping costs, where it multiplied this one with this one to get the product right here. And there you have it. That's just one easy example on how to use the MMULT function here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.